Ang pangarap isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng
third game of 8 final day of eliminations dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court, Baron Mercado covering the action. 3-pointer goes in. Brian Apostol from Region 2, Apong, Cagayan. Itong magkaparehong koponan na ito played yesterday. Unfortunately, losing itong both teams for Laguna LBDL Gallants They lost to Ultimate Pampanga. Meanwhile, Region 2 lost to Zamboanga Harbor. So susubukan bumawi at makakuha ng panalo itong parehong koponan na ito. Almost a steal was Hanley de la Cruz. First three-pointer going in for Brian Apostol. Looking to face off this double team. One bump, turns around, jumper. Won't fall for Pareta. Against four defenders, not giving up. Itong si Eldan Pareta on that last one. Three to 2 is the score. Looking to score quick. That is a JD Isonera, the eraser. Let's see if we can erase some shots later. Thought about that shot, drives closer. Batan will be called for the foul. Batan will knock down the second. 4-3 is our score. On that drive, couldn't find the right angle, was Morgado. Ball is on the ground, recovered. Now on the run, Kirby. Forward pass, Batan with a save. Looks to size up the defense as early as the first quarter. Again, itong magkaparehong teams na to really wanting to make a statement dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Four to 3 is the total. A steal here by Kirby once again. Sends it on the left. Now the right side is open. Andre Batan gets another basket in his name. I believe he has 4 already. Apostol, nice find, rejected by the eraser. He is called the eraser for a reason. Isonera picks up the ball and scores. JD Isonera, one court to the other, defense to offense. 3-8 is the score.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
Eight to 3 ang ating talaan, make it 8-6 after that made 3-pointer. Getting that basket to go in and a steal on the other side. One hand loper is in. Glian Sabes makes it a tie ball game at 8. Nice block by Morgado and a chance to run. Passes it on the left, a tap by Isonera. And Tyrone Tulawan will be at the line. Tyrone missing on the first one. Tulawan couldn't make his free throw after that last basket by Isonera. Sino kaya ang susunod for Laguna? Going down was De Los Santos, and they lose the ball on that possession. Ball is stepped, sent it. Jumper by Tyrone. Bitin on that attempt. De La Cruz wanting to secure that ball. Couldn't get it. Five minutes, 5 remaining. Lapa looking to take this ball and play defense as they give it. One of their best ball handlers, itong si De La Cruz, can also score. Really crafty player itong si Jaro De La Cruz, but they will lose the ball of that pass. Carl Cabocan also can score for them. Here is Sabes in the middle. Almost a read on that defense. Tulawan forcing a shot. Didn't go in. De Los Santos, high pass. Jumper, glass is open. (10 to 8). Under 16 na tayo dito. Isonera looking to play defense, but dinaan sa sipag ni Tyrone Tulawan. Almost a steal. And we have a double technical foul. Tulawan and De Los Santos. Again, it happened off ball. We seen De Los Santos and Tulawan got on a shoving match. Referees and the coaching staffs here looking to take over the situation. Again, itong si Jaro De Los Santos not backing down on the Tyrone Tulawan action. So nagkaroon ng konting lambingan, yun ang tawag sa basketball. Konting lambingan on the off ball. Both players will be called for a tech. That's one thing. Pero titignan natin kung meron pang ibang sanction na ibibigay ang ating mga officials. Ooh, so that could be big. Akala ko technical foul lang ang binigay. Disqualifying foul for both players. Yeah, because they were ready to square up on that play. And for me, it happened right in front of the referee. Kaya si Sir Raymond napatakbo para awatin yung mga pwedeng mangyari. But again, sabi nga nila, prevention is always better than cure. Tulawan was getting his groove in. Dito, naka-score siya over Isonera. Meanwhile, itong si De Los Santos just came off the bench. you can hear I can hear the coaches on the side of Apong Cagayan. Just able to play inside the game is already, the court play the game is already an opportunity for them. And this is not a time, to waste it on those plays like that. As we look to continue the action, as if this game needed more drama. Both teams looking to secure their first win. At ngayon, I believe after that one, we are entering a different intensity as the jumper goes in. Santino La Pastora enters the game with an elbow jumper. Sabes on the drive, erase that time. JD getting that block. A steal from behind. Ball is recovered by De La Cruz. Still fighting off those double teams. Passing lane, read perfectly. Here is Nabreja. Block that time. Sabes says no. (12-10) is the score. Breaking the press here, De La Cruz finding a friend. Double team, triple team, successful. Now going to push it. Jumper, that is off the mark. Second chance, Batan. JD, Isonera. Bitin yung kanyang attempt and babalik sa LBDL Galleons ang possession. .2:17 remaining. We will have a ceasefire inside Banana Court.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at
of the timeout, looking to make a way in and create some space. Itong si Justin Nabreja with a minute 55 remaining. 12-10 ang ating score. Laguna up, nice knockout play, lands on perfectly. 4 points for Santino La Pastora. A steal on the other side. 3-on-2, skying high for 2. Finally entering the scoring column, Justin Nabreja, back-to-back makes. 18-10, another takeaway. Good swipe, Batan. Mawawalan lang espasyo. Another steal. That's 3 straight. Batan to make them pay. Region 2, Apong Cagayan. just lost all steam. Kanina ganda ng kanilang nilalaro, but because of that disqualifying foul on Tyrone Tulawan, they just can't find the right space right now. Offensive rebound. Basket is in for Santino La Pastora. Finally crossing into their side. Can they score? Yes, they will. Gab Soriano scores his first 2 points. Lapa attacks. They started out well with Brian Apostol knocking down that three. And now, just having some problems. Sabi ni Gian Tumaliwan, may bangga sa akin itong si Batan. But the referees caught him retaliating, and usually yun talaga. Kung sinong gumagante, yun talaga ang nahuhuli. (21-12). A steal. Looking for a breakaway. 2-on-1. Couldn't convert. Follow-up is in. Gab Soriano with back-to-back makes as we will end our intense first quarter. Laguna with a 7-point lead. 21-14. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
(21-14) as Brian Apostol misfires for 3. We start our second quarter with Laguna LBDL Galleons up by 7. Baron Mercado covering the action. Again, that first quarter was intense, but cooler heads did prevail, just like that cool move by Clarence Regob, as he will be at the line. Again, it was an intense contest. It was a heated few moments earlier, but Laguna was able to take care of business and now knocking down the bonus. Both teams looking for important wins here as they look to make their case on the qualifying stage. If hindi man sila makaabot sa next round, just have an experience to beat a champion napakalaking bagay na because we are in the Battle of the Champions dito sa Junior MPBL. Region 2, Apong Cagayan, Laguna, LBDL Gallants. Here's Carl Cabocan, Apostol, wanting to make some space. Yun nga lang, masyadong mahaba itong si Kirby. Kaya hindi nakalusot itong si Apostol. Here's that matchup again. Ball is loose. Navarez takes that ball. Then takes it all the way. Just couldn't make on that second run in. Masyadong malakas yung pasa. Exposing our view here. Our sit. or 24-16. 7 minutes 35 ang nalalabi. Still an 8-point lead. Region 2 scoring 16 points so far. (24-16). Ni Discarte, guys from Cagayan looking for some action. Floater. Masyadong bitin para ay Cabocan. Gonna push the pace once again. Nice dribbling exhibition. Passes it to the wrong person. Sees daylight on this attack. Sabes for 2. Galian Sabes able to knock it down on that drive. .6:45 remaining here in the second quarter. 26-18. Cabocan, nice pass, better defense, a good recovery. Referees call a double foul. Again, intensity of this game. Didn't really know what happened there. Needing to settle in. Are we having another big call in the making? As you see on the background, Kit Picasso and just Sir Raymond talking things through as we wait for the official announcement of what happened. Again, we already had 2 players thrown out in the first quarter. So another disqualifying foul. Is made there on the side of LDBL Gallants. Sabes completes that play. Just gonna figure out who it is. Pero dalawa na, wala. Sa LBDL Gallants. So out of the playing court for punching. Again, this game just really physical. Again, intense action. (26-19). Shot didn't go in. Again, 26-19 tayo with 5 minutes 50 remaining. As the guys from Region 2 and Laguna look to make a mark. Pero so far, we have 3 players already out of the playing court. Need to control their emotions. With 5:30 to go. 26-19. Sabes. Referees blew their whistle. Possession will go back on the side of Laguna. (26-19). Breaks that defense on that drive. Didn't go in for JM Lapa. Balik pa rin sa Region 2 ang bola. 26-19. Sabes once again has been playing good for this Region 2. Gets that fake. Waits for the defense supply by Wendell Katwiran. Scores on that basket. That Pinoy step wasn't available. Isonera secures that possession, though couldn't get that basket. Carl Cabocan, di pa pasok yung kanyang attempt as we are 4 minutes 8 remaining. Referees call a foul. 26-21. (26-21). 5-point lead. Laguna looking to protect this slim margin. Region 2 now starting to feel it. Batan couldn't complete that basket. And a fake, a foul, free throws coming in for Lyjan Takdaran. (27-21). 3 minutes 10 remaining. Brian Apostol attacks. Can't find the rim. Pushing once again. Itong sila Batan. Stepping. Jumper. Will be fouled on that last play. Still continues to be aggressive. Itong si Andre Batan. missing on the first. In and out, and again. 28-21. They will lose the possession. Talking about Region 2. Counter steal. Here they go on the push. Looking to make something happen. Si Tumaliwan and a 3. Knocking it down. Another clean look by Glian Sabas. Making that shot. Off to the left. Lead down to 4. Could be a big moment. A big possession for Region 2. Here's Sabes once again. Fakes on that attack. Nice pass by De La Cruz. Rebound by Takdaran against 3 players. (28-24). 2 minutes 13, second quarter. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
(2:09) remaining here inside the Banana Court. 28-24. It will remain still as Laguna will look to increase this lead. Batan versus Kabokan sends it for a 3. It's in. A big 3 to push the lead back to 7. Believe that was Navarez who scored. Cannot answer. Itong si Sabes on the other side. Merong tulak. Katwiran will be called for that foul. (31-24). Now at the line, Drake Martin Navarez. Hit that 3. Now sinking the first free throw. Missing on the second. Putback is in of that turnaround jumper. 10-point advantage for Laguna. De La Cruz fakes. Tatawagan ng foul. La Pastora. Misses on the first one is De La Cruz. Second free throw is good. A minute 13 remaining. 24-34. 10-point lead pa rin on the side of Laguna.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
A minute 10 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. 34-25. Jumper from that elbow area. Didn't go in. 9-point lead. Sabes. Extra pass. Wanting to go that give and go route. Bagalit kay Glian. Inside. A bit too much passing on the side of Region 2. Could have at least taken a shot there after 2 passes. But again, too much is not good as that basket didn't go in. Susubok ulit itong mga taga Region 2. Glian bumps. Di pa rin makakuha ng puntos. Final 22 seconds. Batan sends it on the other side. Lapa will be successful on that save. Pero backcourt violation na. (34-25). Final 12 seconds. Di diskarte once again. Apostol from way downtown. A fight for that rebound. Went high was Navarez. Pero merong pito ang ating referees. If it's on Apong Cagayan, it's penalty time. If it's on Laguna, meron pang isang foul to give. So foul will be on Laguna. 4.9 seconds remaining. So Galleons will commit this possession. 2 seconds to go. Needing to hurry. Shot wouldn't count as that shot was way off the time here. LBDL Gallants from Laguna still up by 9. End of the halftime score. End of the second quarter. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod,
34-25 is our contest. Balik sa loob ng Banana Court, Baron Mercado, our third game of the day. Laguna and Region 2 Apong Cagayan in the under 16 division as they look to fight it off and secure their first win. Nice three on that fly by Glian Sabes. That's his third three-pointer at least on my count. Nice swipe by Sabes on that move. Here he goes, bounce pass, attacks and scores. Wendell Katuwiran making that basket a 5-2 start. Kakapuntos lang ni Santino La Pastora. 36-30. Sabes once again looking to break the zone. And that pass was tapped. Balik sa Laguna ang bola. (36-30). Tumaliwan brings the ball here. Open three once again. Bang! Glian Sabes. 4 3-pointers already. Makes a steal. 8 straight points. Glian Sabes single-handedly brings Region 2 to life. (36-35). A steal for the lead here. Tumaliwan. They will look to operate here is Apostol. Gets that friendly roll. Lamang na ang Region 2. 10 points already. La Pastora with a miss. Lapa with a recovery. JM stops, pops, misses. Apostol, Tumaliwan, full air of steam. Masyadong nagmadali si Tumaliwan on that last one. (37-36). Glian Sabes has 8 points in the quarter. Apostol hit that jumper for the lead. Lapa creating some space off to the left on that jumper. Rebound falling down on Morgado. Morgado, Apostol, a lot of space. Didn't shoot, and maybe that will cause this turnover and this easy basket. Drake Navarez making sure that Region 2 will will pay for not taking that shot as Navarez is called for a foul. (38-37). Glian Sabes, he has been on fire, nasundutan, pero merong foul o itatawag dito ay JM Lapa. Glian, 8 points in this quarter, has at least 3 3-pointers in his name. just single-handedly cutting the lead earlier, and now we'll have a chance to tie. Knocks down on that second free throw. A steal. De La Cruz. Apostol. Masyado malakas. Sabes. What a find. Unselfish as Katwiran scores on that basket. (40-38). Region 2 having a good third quarter, looking to make some answers. Isonera, di makahanap ng butas kanina. Now a chance to run. Glian Sabes, bounce it off. Push shot is good. Gab Soriano has at least 6 points, almost a swipe. Now it's time for Laguna to fire off this run. After all the commotion, it's Region 2, Apong Cagayan, having a 4-point lead. Lapa, guarded by De La Cruz. JM fakes. Here's Navarez. No one to go to. Kirby needs to put the shot off. Basket won't count. (42-38). 4-point lead. Under 16 division. Here's De La Cruz to break this defense. Big three by Glian. Couldn't knock it down. Making that move, cutting the lead to 2. 42-40. 2 minutes 50 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. De La Cruz bounce it off. Here's Apostol on the baseline. What a move! Able to sneak his way in. (44-40). Lapa looking to cut this one. Nice pass to Kirby. Siya naman ang re-reverse. That time masyadong bitin. Just hitting on that lower part of the rim. Kirby Talibagon still couldn't find his mojo here. Though apat lamang ang kanilang hinahabol. Sabes will receive the ball back. Has 8 points in the quarter. Nice swipe. Here's Kirby Talibagon. All the way. Kirby Tabilangon scores on that breakaway. 42-44. Tabilangon receives the ball as he scored the last basket. Almost a steal of that handoff. Merong foul or merong violation na itatawag. Balik sa Region 2 ang bola. Apostol just inbounded right in front, right in the middle of us here. 44-42. Goes for the attack. Apostol way off on a jumper. Foul on that rebound. Tatawagan itong si Manny Tangilan. So penalty situation for Region 2. Meaning Navarez will shoot his free throws. Navarez knocks it down. 40 seconds remaining as the turnover was committed. Laguna will have a chance to regain the lead back. Tabilangon is now looking to make some space here on the right side. He is open. Jumper by Papa. Didn't go in. Solid rebound by Jude Berbo. De La Cruz with the harm. No problem. De La Cruz secures the second. 47-43. On the way, nice block. Always really risky to make those stops. Bola babalik sa Region 2. Gotta give effort, credit. Glian Sabes, I believe, made that stop. 9.3 seconds to go. Timeout muna tayo. Lamang pa rin ang Region 2.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Foul was called. We continue the action. Final 5 seconds remaining. Apostol That is an offensive foul on the other side. Outlet pass went nowhere para dito sa Laguna. Balik ang bola sa Region 2. Apong Cagayan to beat the final buzzer. Laguna just says no. A 4-point advantage pa rin para dito sa Region 2. Apong Cagayan 47-43. Will be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga.
Fourth quarter, bakbak ang Region 2 and Laguna. Both squads looking for important wins, and it started off with that jumper made by Martin Navarez. Again, this game, the theme of this one, really intensity, physical, and just really smash mouth basketball. Sa sobrang intense ng ating laro, 3 na po ang ating na to thrown out dito. 2 sa kampo ng Laguna, 1 naman sa kampo ng Region 2 Apong Cagayan. Katwiran, 1 out of 2 kanina. Now missing both free throws. Chance for Laguna to take a lead here. 3. That is off the mark. Rebound secured by Katwiran after by that shot by Regalo. Couldn't give them that lead. Apostol stepping back. Wendell. That ball will go on the side of Laguna once again. It was the Glian Sabes quarter on the 3rd period. Here he is almost taking that ball. Regalo secures it. La Parosa will be called for a traveling. La Pastora, I should say, will be called for a traveling. 47, 45. Right side move, able to scoot one in. What a play! Filbert Morgado pushes the lead here to 4, and JD Isonera able to make that basket. 49-47. A 3 by Apostol. Can't get that one. Rebound secured by La Pastora. Double team, triple teamed on that area. (49-47). JD all the way. Tied at 49. Isonera with back-to-back. Apostol, third try is the charm. 3 it goes. Brian Apostol making that 3, and that 3-point play opportunity coming in. Lyjan Takdaran. Ties the ball game at 52. Looking to make a run. De La Cruz for 3. Had a good line. Shadow lang mahina. Wild outlet. One dribble. Navarez. Good! Laguna now has a 3-point lead. Apostol. What a courageous player is Brian Apostol. Another leak out. Touchdown! 2 straight points coming off inbound passes. 57-54. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Five straight points for Laguna of those inbound passes. Wendell scores on that basket. Katwiran starting to make a mark here. Here's JD Isonera. Mawawala ang bola. Ball is recovered. On the run here, Soriano. Apostol fakes, shoots over the eraser. Couldn't convert. Spins, Katwiran. Soriano, lefty finish. Having a superb game is Soriano. Attacks and fouled will be Justin Nebreja. Just like that, Region 8. Palitan lang ng puntos. Ties the game. (59-58). Almost a tap. They look to score. Nakarating na naman kay Wendell. Wendell Katwiran, giving Region 2 reasons why they will win this game. But that time is not a good reason. Nice basket. Lyjan Takdaran. Sa nagtatanong po kung kailan ang Zamboanga game, mamaya po as they will face off against Laguna in the under 18 division, yung Roas Warriors. Maglalaro yan after Fabs Pampanga and Bataan. Yan, gandang laban yan mamaya. Pero dito muna tayo, a 3 rebound, put back in. Tino Lapastora scores on that putback. Lamang na ang Laguna again by 4 points. (64-60). A steal, couldn't make that basket. Second try, wala pa rin. Ball is still on the ground. Two players fighting it off. 64-60. Four minutes, 19 to go, 9 seconds to shoot. Almost a steal. De La Cruz, they go for that drive. Referees call a traveling call. 64-60. Laguna looking for their first win and a big basket. Lost control was La Pastora. Coaches wanting Region 2 to pick up the pace. Apostol, a 3 from the wing. That is off the mark by Carl Cabocan. Is a missing factor for Region 2 today. De La Cruz with a fake. One-hander. Gumulong palabas. Laguna will secure this possession. 64-60. Now going to push. No look. La Pastora gets that turnover back with a basket. 66-60. Apostol, nice rejection that time. Naabangan. Need to hurry though. Goes for that in and out cross. A turnover will be picked up here. Carl Cabocan. Balik kay Carl for 2. 2 minutes 58, 66 to 62. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
2 minutes 55. Navarez can hit those big shots. Up by 4. Itong Laguna pounds the ball inside. Lyjan Takdaran has really produced well in the fourth. Can't make that turnaround. Nice block by Lapa. Pass was too strong. On the run, protects that ball. Couldn't make that jelly. Nebreha had that opening. Bitin lang yung kanyang finish. (68 to 62). Needing to start this inbound. La Pastara miss on the first, second time is good. Tino La Pastora has made countless of plays for Laguna as we are nearing the last 2 minutes. 70 to 62. Kabokan looks for Apostol. Brian for 3. In and out, Kabokan with a putback. Last 2 minutes time. Down by 2 possessions. La Pastora will be at the line. Knocks down the second one. 71 to 64. Apostol creating some space. Brian with some big shots. Don't mind the size, mind the performance of Brian Apostol in this game. Meanwhile, Laguna looking to create some space in this one. Lapa with a big shot. (73 to 66). So that was Batan making that big play. Kabokan sends it out. Glian Sabes, 3 is in. Cuts the lead to 4. 73 to 69. A minute 8 remaining.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't
65 seconds remaining. 4-point lead by Laguna. Glian Sabes hit that 3. How will Laguna respond on the other side? Here's Lapa. Sends it out. La Pastora. 3 to go. Bata needs to go and shoot. Nice rebound. Lyjan can't get that basket. Short stop won't fall. 35 to go. On the run, Glian loses the possession. A lot of things happened on that scuffle. Andre Batan made that big shot earlier. Pressure pack free throws. Finds the bottom of the nylon. Batan secures both. 28 seconds remaining and a steal on the other side. Nebreja could have sealed the game for Laguna. (56-69), 23.4 remaining. Let's see what will happen on the side of Region 2, Apong Cagayan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't
23.4. 76-69. Glian, a quick trigger. Didn't go in. Merong tulak on those last plays. Balik ang bola dito sa Region 2. 4 team fouls on the side of Laguna. One more penalty na sila. 2 possession ball game. Needing to make a quick statement na itong Region 2. Glian once again. Off the mark, follow-up is in for Philbert Morgado. A steal on the other side. final 10 to go. A 3-ball could have made this game a bit more interesting. 76 to 71. Looking to provide more finishing touches. One of the players that really showed up for today, Santino Miguel La Pastora. Missing on the first. $77 to 71. They will turn the ball over. 7.6. Again, safe to say, this is almost a done deal. Pero hindi pa rin bumibitaw itong Region 2. Again, an interesting contest. Only our third game of today. We had 3 ejections, 3 disqualifying fouls. But Laguna, despite of them not getting, majority of the lead along the way dahil nakuha ng Region 2 yung kanilang kalamangan, remained steady, remained composed, and now they will secure their first win as they defeat the champions from Apong, Cagayan. But they should not feel sad and down. Talking about Region 2, they have shown us that they are really the best Region 2 has to offer. Pero so far, Laguna making a statement, 78-71. 7-point lead for our third game of 8 for today. More basketball action to cover dito.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.